So from France, we are going to travel to Poland, and we are going to start with the Polish Academy of Sciences.
Hello, my name is Artur Bednarkiewicz, and I am a Deputy Director for Scientific Affairs in Institute of Low Temperature and Structure Research, Polish Academy of Sciences. I am a scientist and I am leading my own research group. And within this short presentation, I would like to introduce to our institute, our scientists, and would like to advertise the possibility to collaborate with us within Marie Sklodowska-Curie Fellowship. Our institute is one of top Polish institutes, and it is specializing in two disciplines, chemistry and physics. We are over 100 scientists and over 30 PhD students, and we publish more than 300 articles a year. We have been successful in external research project acquisition and realization. We have our own doctorate school, and we also have a spin-off company which support our scientists to transfer the knowledge from labs to commercial products. About Wrocław, where our institute is located, this is one of the most beautiful and historical city, which is very well communicated with Europe and world. It is located on southwest part of Poland, and it is close to Germany and Czech Republic. It is also warmest part of Poland. Our city is also a university city, and we have over 200,000 students a year. If you are interested in more details, you can scan these QR codes. Our institute and our scientists are specializing in physics, chemistry, and material science, and we are especially interested in magnetic electron systems, superconducting materials, catalysis, phase transitions, luminescence, and optical biospectroscopy. All this work is done within 7 scientific divisions. We can offer excellent scientific and friendly environment. We do care introducing gender equality plan, and we also have HR Excellence in Research logo. We can support collaboration within our internal postdoc system, as well as we can support scientists in gaining local, bilateral, and international grants. We can work as coordinator or as partner. Let me introduce a few scientists from our institutes. These are very good examples of possible collaborations. For example, Professor Mirosław Mączka is specializing on new hybrid perovskite materials and is focused on functional properties of these excellent and interesting new materials. Professor Dariusz Kaczorowski is focused on emergent phenomena in strongly correlated electron systems, as well as is interested in topological materials. He is also a director of our institute. Professor Anna Gongor is a crystallographer, and she is interested in structural analysis of crystalline materials, as well as disordered materials. Me, myself, I am interested in new photon avalanching materials, as well as mechanisms. Also, I am interested in up-converting materials and its application for bioimaging, super-resolution imaging, and other biomedical and technology applications. If you are interested in more details, you can scan these QR codes. I encourage you to contact us in order to establish possible collaborations within Marie Sklodowska-Curie Fellowship. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor. Introducing some of the hosting offers that are offered by the Polish Academy of Sciences. Now we are going to continue with the University of Gdansk.
Welcome to the University of Gdansk, the largest university in northern Poland, located on the southern shores of the Baltic Sea. Gdansk is a city with rich history spanning over 10 centuries. Cradle of solidarity, Gdansk likes to be called the City of Freedom. The University of Gdansk is a member of the European Network of the University of the Seas. Locally, we are part of the Fahrenheit Universities Federation together with technical and medical schools in Gdańsk. We take pride in the current academic rankings, positioning us among the best universities in Poland. We are recognized globally for our record regarding the participation of women in scientific publications. We implemented a gender equality plan and received HR Excellence in Research certificate from the European Commission for aligning our human resources policies with their standards. My name is Anna Łukasiewicz, and I represent the Faculty of History. I am ready to be your mentor. For those interested in archaeology, let me now introduce Dr. Łukasz Pospieszny, an alumnus of the Marie Sklodowska Fellowship Program himself.
I would like to encourage you to come and work with me and my colleagues at the Institute of Archaeology. Our institute is located in the oldest medieval part of the city. It is a leading research center on the prehistory and early history of the Southern Baltic Sea. This area is famous for very rich deposits of amber, the fossilized resin of ancient pine trees. Here at Gdansk, you can have access to large museum collections of amber finds dating back to the Stone Age. Our staff members conduct fieldwork in northern Poland and also in other parts of Central Europe, as well as in Sweden, Greece, and the Middle East. The institute has its own conservation laboratory and other facilities available to all incoming researchers. Our staff members are principal investigators in a number of projects funded by the Polish National Science Center with a total budget of almost 1 million euros. We are also a leader of an EU-funded project implemented in collaboration with universities in Aarhus in Denmark and in Lund in Sweden, and with the museum on the Danish island of Bornholm. Currently, the Institute collaborates closely with the School of Chemistry at the University of Bristol in the UK. This allows us to conduct advanced scientific analysis of various archaeological samples. Our staff members are also consultants in large projects funded by the European Research Council. So you are very much welcome here at Gdansk, and please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Let me now introduce you to Professor Marcin Marciniak from the Faculty of Mathematics, Physics and Informatics.
The faculty consists of 4 institutes. The research of mathematicians falls within the 5 mathematical disciplines: algebra, geometry, analysis, topology, and set theory. Of course, these disciplines are intertwined. Postdoc, specializing in knot theory, algebraic geometry, and algebraic topology would be particularly welcome. On our slide, the potential supervisors are visible. Our computer scientists specialize in combinatorics, graph theory, and more generally, combinatorial optimization theory. Recently, research focused on quantum cryptography and the complexity of quantum communication tasks. Physics is divided into 2 parts, experimental and theoretical. Experimentalists conduct, among other things, research into the creation and description of the properties of new materials. These include optoelectronic materials and hybrid nanomaterials. We have well-equipped labs. Theoretical physicists focus on the foundation of quantum mechanics and quantum information theory. These topics are researched in our department as well as in the International Center for Theory of Quantum Technology at our university. Besides, we work on applications of operator algebras and positive maps on them, as well as the theory of quantum open systems. When you decide to come to our faculty, you receive comprehensive administrative support and a very research-friendly atmosphere. We have various facilities which are sure to make your stay very enjoyable.
Thank you very much to the whole team of the University of Gdansk to share all the different funding opportunities within the different research fields that they offer. So here, of course, you can see all the details about their contact information within each research area in case you would like to contact them and get in touch directly with the researchers and the group leaders. We are going to continue with the 3rd institution from Poland, which will be the Warsaw University of Life Sciences. And I'm going to give them the word in a second. There we go.
Hello, my name is Kübra and I'm a doctoral student at Warsaw University of Life Science Schools. I started my journey in here in 2020 and currently it is home to me. Please let me guide you around and present it. WULS is a large modern life science university with long history. It was established in 1816 and currently it educates nearly 18,000 students in 38 different fields and 8 of them conducted in English. From veterinary sciences to landscape architecture, economics through IT and to dietetics and the tourism. And the campus is divided into 2 parts. The historical part with an old mansion surrounded by a park you can see behind me, and the new SKGVU campus. It is one of the well-designed and equipped research centers in the country. And there is Viewpoint. It is a help desk for foreigners. You can also use support facilities, health facility, non-public kindergarten, library, pharmacy, canteens and shops, all based in the campus. As the university focuses on inclusive, supportive and attractive research environment, it also received HR Excellence Award in 2017. And also for manifesting the gender equality, it manifested the Gender Equality Plan in 2022. And also university believes in international cooperation by attending different kinds of research, training and education activities, networks and alliances. University also have the experience by hosting the Marie Curie Fellows with MSCA project, Skill for Action, Growing Forest Carbon Sequestration, and also Smart Carbon Forestry under the climate change. WULS as a life science university implements the principles of the sustainable development, renewable energy sources, and restrictions on the plastic use, also restrictions on the energy consumption, printouts and watering the lawns with using the rainwater. Please join us as Marie Curie Fellows. In a minute, you will see what you could do during your fellowship at WULS.
Hi, my name is Urszula Zaniczkowska. I would like to invite you to our plant movement laboratory, where we use time-lapse or high-speed cameras techniques for study various movement behaviors in plants. So you will be able to do a lot of studies, kinetic analysis, or just an observation for your further thinking about plants. For us, it will be wonderful to have you here, to share with you with our experience and the passion for plants. And now let me show you the most famous Polish roses, the Queen of Warsaw, just an observation.
Do you dream of groundbreaking research in food tech and nutrition sciences? Are you ready to undertake a challenge that could alter our understanding of microencapsulation within the food industry? If so, we have something for you. My name is Marcin Kurek and I work as Associate Professor in the Department of Technique and Food Development at Warsaw University of Life Sciences, and I can be your supervisor during the Marie Sklodowska-Curie Actions postdoc program. I invite you to join our international team at the Institute of Human Nutrition Sciences for a 2-year postdoc fellowship. We are leading the charge in innovation, studying how the characteristics of material and the specifics of process parameters influence the design of microencapsulation systems. In this specific journey, you will immerse yourself in the complex world of material properties and their consequential effect on microcapsules used in food applications. By the fellowship's conclusion, you will have a thorough understanding of the relationships between material properties, process parameters, and microencapsulation performance. You will contribute to creating tailored systems for specific food applications, device optimization tools, and uncover innovative insights into the effect of microencapsulation on food products. You will be a driving force in promoting functional foods and improved food processing strategies. Working at our institute will expose you to a diverse team of researchers, allowing for exciting collaborations and expansive learning opportunities. If you are ready to contribute to the next big thing in food science and take your career to new heights, don't hesitate. Join the Institute of Human Nutrition Sciences within postdoc program today and be part of the food science revolution.
Thank you very much to the team of the Warsaw University of Life Sciences to introducing their hosting possibilities. It was professionally done. Thank you so much to all the speakers from Poland to giving us a glimpse of all the different opportunities that the universities, the research institutions offer for our researchers around the world. So with that, we are going to move to the fourth Polish institution, the fourth and last, not last but not least, which is the Łukasiewicz Research Network.
Welcome everybody, my name is Magdalena Gizowska and I represent the Łukasiewicz Institute of Ceramics and Building Materials. The institute constitutes of 4 centers in Kraków, Warsaw, Gliwice and Opole. The headquarters is in Kraków. The institute was established in Warsaw in 1951, so we have an over half-century tradition and experience in ceramic materials. We deal with almost all aspects concerning ceramics and building materials, which are biomaterials, advanced and utility ceramics, decorating agents, and concrete. The Institute has well-developed research infrastructure. We have SEM, XRD, thermal analysis, hot isostatic press, bioprinter, and so on. What could be interesting for you is that in our institute we can scale up the design technology, thanks to the experimental production department. We would like to invite you to a project concerning the development of aluminum nitride material. Aluminum nitride, like most of ceramics, is a hard material with high temperature resistance and electric resistivity. Its special character of this material is its high thermal conductivity and thermal shock resistance, which predestines its application in, for example, heat sinks. Aluminum nitride is usually fabricated by hot pressing method. It means that the elements are fabricated in simple shapes and afterwards the final shapes are carved out. We want to use other techniques which will lead to fabrication of shapes close to the final ones. This will reduce the material loss and production time. We want to use pressureless sintering and sintering under pressure of gases in a so-called hot isostatic press. The work plan is to synthesize the nitride powder and the design of the technological process for fabrication of the ceramic bodies together with its characterization. This is our recommendation, but we are also open to other ideas. To inspire you, I will present few projects currently carried out at our institute. The biomaterials team has 2 projects concerning the fabrication of materials for bone tissue regeneration with some special properties. Advanced Ceramics Research Group is dealing with high-performance ceramics for aviation application. The Ceramics Research Group designs fireproof paints for wood surfaces. And here this project is a serious stuff, because in cooperation with KGHM, which is the major global producer of copper and silver, our institute is developing a technology for processing carbonates into construction materials. The carbonates used here are the waste material in the mining industry. We have other ideas for waste recycling from metallurgical industry, which is in line with the Green Charter. There are also small internal projects. With their help, we are preparing for externally financed grants and technology implementations. We are ready to help you also with the dissemination of your work results. Our institute organizes conferences both for academic workers and industry. To sum up, it is worth joining us because we have many recognized specialists and a well-developed research infrastructure. We cooperate with the industry, so you will have the opportunity to establish contact with industry representatives. We organize seminars and conferences where you can present your work. It is difficult to manage a project, but you can count on our project management department, which offers support. We already have the gender equality plan. And last but not least, we work as a team. I work in a special ceramics area, but it is not a problem to get support from other teams. So, hope to see you soon. And if you are interested in our offer, feel free to send me an email. Thank you.
Dear Magdalena, thank you so much for presenting the Institute of Ceramics and Building Materials in Poland. And now, yes, we have concluded the Polish institutes, the Polish offers that expressed their interest in sharing their opportunities with you today. So thank you to all the presenters, to the institutions.